If you want to enhance your security on DoorDash by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your security settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Security or Security Settings. This section contains information about your devices and account security. Step 4. View Connected Devices. In the Security Settings, find the section that lists all devices currently connected to your account. Review the list to identify any old or unused devices that you want to remove. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old device you wish to remove and look for an option to remove or disconnect. Confirm the action if prompted, and the device will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your DoorDash security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.